A complete digital communications training system, including instrumentation and courseware that is designed to reflect the standards commonly used in modern communication systems. This system satisfies educational programs that require understanding of telecommunications signals from vocational schools to the four-year engineering level and up through research. The Communications Technologies Training System covers basic types of digital modulation, demodulation technologies such as pulse amplitude, pulse width, and pulse position modulation, pulse code and delta modulation, amplitude, frequency, and binary phase shift keying along with modem standards. This training system also allows the study of spectrally efficient technologies such as QPSK, QAM, ADSL, and CDMA. The courseware, including student manuals with theory and practical exercises as well as instructor guides, perfectly coincides with the hardware and software. This combination provides a very efficient turnkey solution for teachers. The 8087 is an embedded system providing real-time processing of externally or internally generated signals. This reconfigurable DSP and FPGA construction allow tremendous flexibility and reusability at reduced cost. Every signal point is protected against incorrect connections and short circuits, ensuring the reliability teachers expect from LabVolt products. This network-enabled training system allows computer access to the block diagrams, parameters, and test points. Computer-based control of the processing parameters provides increased repeatability. A comprehensive set of test points as well as fault insertion capability allows great flexibility to accommodate various training needs. While it is perfectly alright to use your own instrumentation, the system also features a complete virtual instrumentation suite, including a true RMS voltmeter, an oscilloscope, a spectrum analyzer, a bit error rate counter, a logic analyzer, and a constellation viewer. Function generators and bit pattern generators are provided, while the ADSL function can communicate with MATLAB through workspace tables. A wide variety of communication applications are currently available, and more are under development. Because the 8087 is an open, reconfigurable system, you can upgrade at any time to cover additional technologies by simply purchasing the relevant, cost-effective firmware from LabVolt.